Hey, it's Haley. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're at Disneyland and we're going to California Adventure. So I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks doing Disneyland with kids, because we do have two little ones with us. We're doing Disneyland the first day and California Adventure the second day, and I'm so excited. So here we go. We're in line at Kirk's favorite ride. Buddy, what ride are we going to do? Buzz Lightyear. So the boys went and did we did rider stop with the boys. So they got in line for Space Mountain and we went up, me and Lena went up, showed them our tickets, and because we have kids, we get to scan our passes, and after they ride, we can go back and hop in the fast pass lane. So it's just a good way for like families to be able to do bigger rides when they have kids that are too small. So anyway, we're just eating some snacks in line and about to go on Buzz. We just checked the app and it looks like rides in Fantasyland are not too long, so we're gonna head over there, do like Snow White, Teacups, the Carousel, Pinocchio, those kind of rides. Got Jean in the front here. It's not my favorite way to carry her, but it's the way she's happiest, so. What was that? Big yawn. Lizzie, can I see your pins? You just got that Cinderella one? Yeah. Cute. We just got off Snow White. That ride is always a little scary for the little ones with the witch's big eyes, but it's getting to be, it's like getting close to 11, and we want to eat lunch before it gets really crowded. So what we're doing is going to put an online order on the Disneyland app. It makes it so quick. You just place your order, go up, and the food is ready. You don't have to wait in the huge long lines, and it makes it so convenient. So we're gonna do that now and probably wait, go ride the carousel while we're waiting. We just went into Pooh's Corner because we ate lunch at the Hungry Bear, which is one of my favorite places to eat because there's a lot of seats, a lot of kid-friendly food, and it's just like kind of reasonably priced. So the Hungry Bear for lunch, and then we went on the Winnie the Pooh ride, and this is also where you can meet like Tigger or Winnie the Pooh, whoever happens to be there. Let's see. It's Tigger right now. It's also fun because the train goes by. So when you're sitting and eating lunch, the train goes by, and my toddler gets very excited over that. So now though, I think Lena and I are gonna go cash in our rider swap and go ride Space Mountain. Maybe we'll do Pirates on our way over there. A great spot for picture taking is right to the, if you're looking at the castle, it's on your right. So there's the castle, but you just come over to this little path. A lot of characters walk by here. So we just saw Pinocchio, Peter Pan and Wendy, and the Evil Queen. We're all walking by here, so it's a great spot for a picture with your family. Logan is on baby duty. She fell asleep a little while ago, which is great for us. Oh, she's waking up.
She's like, it's all grumpy and goes back to sleep.
She wants a little more quiet, I guess.
Yeah,
but this is why we bring a soft carrier everywhere. This way Logan can still ride the rides, and we don't have to stay behind.
I can still go down Splash Mountain and Space Mountain.
Yeah, they'll never know. Yeah. They'll never know there's a baby on you. No, just kidding. We're over at the Jolly Cafe, and we just ate the Mickey macarons. They're red and delicious. They used to have fresh raspberries in them, and now it's just jelly and like some kind of filling. It was very good still. And then this nice worker gave the girls some, or the kids some work, like coloring books.
Watch out.
Anyway, now I don't know where we're going. We're taking the sunscreen, and somebody else woke up.
Not me.
You've been awake.
You want another one?
So, getting her turned around so she's happy. If you are coming to Disneyland with a baby or like a toddler, they do have baby care centers at both Disneyland and California Adventure. The Disneyland one is just at the end of Main Street before you get to Tomorrowland on the right-hand side. That's it. So I'm gonna hopefully be able to go in and show you some clips, but they have like diaper changing stations, stalls for women to nurse in, bottle warmers, formula, diapers for purchase, just a lot of things like baby necessities, and like toddler sized toilet, so it's really nice. So we're taking a break here. He's napping. My sister Elaine is gonna sit with him, and I'm gonna go in and see if I can show you the inside. While the boys are on a ride, we're just gonna let her wander. Kirk's sleeping and just gonna eat a snack right now though. Another thing, we didn't actually get here on time for this, but if you can make it to Disneyland or California Adventure early enough, they actually open their gates 30 minutes before, so usually they open around 8. So if you get here like anywhere between 7:30 and 8, they will let you in and go all the way up to almost the castle where it is roped off, but then as soon as it's 8 o'clock, they let you through. So it's nice to get in a little bit early so you can get on your rides quicker and hopefully beat some of the crowd. But we got here about 8:15, so we missed that, which is fine. And yeah, it's just nice to take a break halfway through the day because our feet are tired. Kirk, who did we just see?
Goofy and Pluto and Mickey.
And Minnie and
Donald.
They just came out of this cast members only. So that was very fun to wave and say hi.
Yeah. I'm the follow them.
You want to follow them? They're going to probably be in the parade we're going to watch in a little bit.
Maybe he'll remember you.
Yeah, maybe he'll remember you. Okay, well, that was magical. So we last minute decided to watch the parade. So we came down to the flagpole and there was some spots for us right on the edge. It was perfect. Kirk loved it. He saw, you know, some of his favorites like Aladdin and Genie were in it because he's been obsessed with the song Prince Ali recently. And also You're Welcome, so he saw Maui. Anyway, it was so fun. The characters were waving and high-fiving them. So if you have time for a parade, make time. I haven't been to a parade since I was like little, so it was really, really fun. I got like tears in my eyes. It was so cute to see how excited Kirk got. We're on day 2 of Disneyland. We're going to California Adventure today. And we just got out of the parking structure, and normally you come over here and that's where you go through the security lines, but lines are always so long, and then to get on the tram you have to collect your stroller. So we opt to just bypass that and go walk through downtown Disney. I think it actually gets us there faster because we don't have to wait in line, because you still do have to go through a security, but it's like no wait. So I'll show you that, but that's my little tip. So we just walk past there and then we're gonna go up to, I think it's level 3 to walk across the bridge to get to downtown Disney. I was wrong, it's not level 3. We go up level 2 to get to the walkway bridge, so Coco level. So one fun thing you can do in California Adventure is you can come to this bakery. It says bakery tour. Right now it's under construction, so you can't really tell, but you just go in. There's a nice man or woman sitting there with a big basket of bread, and they give you sourdough bread because they make it here on site and it's so good. So it's right behind Cars Land. Right over there is Mater's tractor ride, and then you have Ghirardelli and the San Francisco, or I think it's, I don't know what it's called. Some bakeries right here. And you get free bread. And the #1 reason in Kirk's eyes we come to California Adventure, we come to the Cozy Cone. Kirk, who is it? He is the true celebrity here. We've just been sitting in this quiet corner for a while, and now I'm gonna go change Jean. We're in the by the child services, which is also by the bread. We are waiting in line for the Incredicoaster, but we're waiting in the single rider line, so it'll go quicker. There's the main line, and then we're waiting right here to get our single rider pass. Not every single roller coaster or ride has single rider lines, but it's nice to know which ones do, so then you can take advantage of it and then get in quicker. But the only problem is you might have to sit by somebody you don't know, which to me, I don't care. We got our single rider tickets, we're just waiting. We're gonna go up the elevator, around, and then they'll just have us fill in when there's empty spots.
At the end of Remy's smile, we're gonna add in a little crease, and this is some of her line work, and we're cleaning up our sketch. We're finalizing it. And I wanna see those tiny chefs. Ready?
Well, I'm sitting on the floor with the kids again. Kind of do that a lot at Disneyland, but we're waiting for the boys and the older kids who are riding Soarin' over America, and then we did a rider stop for that, so Lena and I will go on after. And then I'm not sure what we're gonna do the rest of the day. Probably a couple more rides and then head out. I don't know if we're up for staying super late today because We already went yesterday and I'm a little worn out, but it's been good. We are waiting in the single rider line for web slingers. I've never done it before.
I've only done it one time.
And I didn't think we'd be able to do single rider with kids, but they said as long as they're on our lap the whole time, then it's fine. So you can do single rider with kids. Buddy, let me see your glasses.
Oh yeah.
Well, we are headed back to the parking lot. We are all done for the day. This is a great Disneyland and California adventure trip. Yeah, thanks you guys so much for watching. And if you have any questions about Disneyland or if you have any upcoming trips, let me know. Any tips or tricks to share, I think everyone could benefit. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.